Welcome back to a new episode, and today, we gonna eyeball half-inch quarter-inch adapters from Dewalt and Makita. So these adapters can take hex shank bits you normally use for impact drivers. We compare Dewalt DW2298 and Makita 134873-0. The Dewalt adapter didn't come with ring and safety pin. True bummer, but we move on. Current price on Amazon is around $13, and we'll drop a link in our description below. Neat lock mechanism so far. The Makita adapter comes with ring and safety pin. Makita got a few half-inch quarter-inch adapters, but this one seems to be made for the European region. We'll have a link for our UK visitors in the description. Time to get the bad boys into traffic. Based on some reviews, we also encounter some wobbling with the Dewalt DCF894 with Detent pin. It should be way better handled by the DCF894HB that comes along with a hog ring like the Makita XWT14. That combo works surprisingly smoother. Everybody loves length comparisons. If you work with 2-inch bits, this lil fella can be a true gem for you. Shown in one of our previous videos, the mag boost from Makita is a game changer. The bit is 17 times more magnetic than a standard bit. There will a video link to that amazing tool at the end of our video. Let's see how our impact wrenches can do the job of impact drivers. So no big deal. If you wonder if you could insert 1-inch bits, this is what will happen. And same fate with Dewalt, but it's time to get our attention to something that can make an impact. Bigger screws into wood with the help of the adapters. Let's get ready to rumble. Round 2. So far so good. Time will tell how durable they can be. We keep you posted and stay tuned for more.